The dream that saved me, a true story. I was living in Runaway Bay, Jamaica, with a man I had been seeing for about a year. He was 59 and I was 23, but things didn't work out, we broke up. After that, I moved to Stedians Bay, where I had two cousins, one male my age, 23, and one female in her late 30s. She had two kids, a 9-year-old girl and a teenage boy, around 15. At the time, I had no job, just a small savings bin I carried around. The house had only 2 bedrooms and a small living room. My male cousin had his room. My female cousin shared hers with her daughter. Her son slept in the living room, and that's where I had to sleep, right beside him. Eventually, my male cousin told me he was moving out. That meant I could finally get my own room. He even helped me line up a job at a bar as a bartender. I was supposed to meet the bar owner on Sunday and start work Monday. Everything felt like it was finally falling into place. But then, Saturday night, I had a dream. In the dream, I was in the same house. The little girl had gone next door and left the door unlocked. Then 4 men came in. One was light-skinned and I immediately felt he was the ringleader. The other 3 were darker-skinned. I didn't remember if they had a gun, but they felt threatening. They asked me a strange personal question. Where is the baby? They were referring to a pregnancy I once had with a man before